Our lives run faster and become more interesting day by day. How can we be in time everywhere? School, work, hanging out with friends. We have no time left for the daily routine, such as cooking. It takes so much time. Fortunately, there are a lot of cafes and restaurants where we can choose food for any taste and pocket. Russian, Italian, Japanese cuisine, healthy food or junk food, whatever you like. You can eat out with friends. Order a takeaway and a delivery service will bring it to you. Of course, you have your favorite dishes. Some people like salty food. Others like theirs sweet, hot, spicy, or even bitter. Our friend decided to eat out too. He has a good reason for that. A friend of his has come to see him. Let's see how they place an order in a restaurant.
Thanks for inviting me to lunch. It's such a nice place.
You're welcome. It's a popular Russian restaurant, and I hope you like the Russian cuisine.
I hope so. Where's the menu? I'm really hungry. The waiter's bringing it now, look.
Here you are, sir. Thank you. Is there anything to impress our guest? What is the most Russian dish on the menu? I suggest trying borscht and pirozhki with different fillings.
Okay, that will do. I've never tried borscht before. Is it hot and spicy?
No, it isn't. Well, today I'm trying something new for a change too. May I have the pickled cucumbers with the холодец? I've always thought meat in jelly is strange, but today I'm ready to taste it. Are you ready to order, sir? Yes, we'd like the borscht and the pickled cucumber with холодец. Would you like anything to drink? May I have a glass of mineral water, please?
Could I have compote, please? I know Russian people like it.
A glass of mineral water and a compote. A good choice. Thank you. Thank you too. We wish our friends a nice evening. Let's try to order something for ourselves. We may need these words. To order. What's on the menu? I'd like to place an order, or I'd like to order. To describe a taste, we can use these adjectives. Sour, bitter, sweet, spicy, salty. So let's try to place an order in a cafe or restaurant and learn to describe how food tastes. Because wherever we go, in the end, we all get hungry.